Ever wondered why Tesla is the ultimate car? Well, buckle up for a thrilling journey as we explore 12 compelling reasons why Tesla stands out as the ultimate car. First on the list is Tesla's cutting-edge electric powertrain. This is not just about being eco-friendly, it's about redefining performance. The instant torque delivery of Tesla's electric motors makes traditional gas guzzlers feel like a thing of the past. Next, we have zero emissions. Tesla's commitment to sustainability is a game changer. Driving a Tesla is not simply about moving from one point to another, it's about preserving our planet for the future. Thirdly, there's the Supercharging network. With thousands of stations worldwide, Tesla ensures that a quick charge is never far away, making long-distance travel a breeze. Fourth on our list is Autopilot technology. This isn't just a fancy feature, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. With advanced sensors and cameras, your Tesla can navigate traffic, change lanes, and even park itself, enhancing your safety and comfort. The fifth reason is over-the-air updates. Tesla's commitment to innovation ensures that your car gets better with age, with new features and performance improvements delivered straight to your car, no dealership visit required. Sixth is the long range. Tesla's industry-leading long-range capabilities make range anxiety a thing of the past, giving you the freedom to explore without limits. Next, we have safety features. Tesla's dedication to safety, backed by real-world results and features like collision avoidance assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, consistently earn top safety ratings. The eighth reason is minimal maintenance. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things can go wrong, resulting in less time in the shop and more time on the road. Ninth on our list is enhanced connectivity. Seamless integration with your smartphone and other devices ensures you stay connected, entertained, and informed even on the go. 10th is enhanced security. With features like remote monitoring, GPS tracking, and encrypted communication, Tesla vehicles provide peace of mind wherever you park. Next up is autonomy and self-driving capabilities. Tesla's advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence are paving the way for a future where cars drive themselves safely, efficiently, and autonomously. Finally, the 12th reason is the unparalleled driving experience. The whisper-quiet hum of the electric motors and the lightning-fast acceleration transform the very act of driving into a joyride. So there you have it, 12 compelling reasons why Tesla stands out as the ultimate car. From its cutting-edge electric powertrain to its autonomous driving capabilities, Tesla is not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. Until next time, stay charged and keep exploring.